New at 11, was he insane?
Attorneys for Austin Harrouff say they're going to try and prove that to a jury when he goes to trial. Harrouff
is the Martin County teen accused of killing a Tequesta couple, biting one of their faces and gravely injuring their neighbor in the summer of 2016.
Megan McRoberts is live with what she's learned tonight. Megan.
Jay and Kelly, attorneys for Austin Harrouff, filed that paperwork late this afternoon, aiming to keep their client from potentially going to prison for the rest of his life. But family of his alleged victims tell me tonight prison is exactly where they still want him to end up.
For more than a year, attorneys for Austin Harrouff have been tight-lipped about how they would defend him in court. Tuesday, they filed this paperwork, making their plan official. Now we know they're going after the insanity defense, saying Harrouff at the time of the alleged crime was, quote, suffering from a full-blown psychotic episode. He's accused of stabbing and killing Michelle Mishkan and John Stevens and critically injuring their neighbor Jeff Fisher. They also say because of his mental illness, quote, he didn't know what he was doing or its consequences, or he did not know it was wrong. Criminal defense attorney Greg Lerman told me this strategy rarely works.
The natural inclination for jurors is to want to hold those people responsible for their acts anyway.
That's what John Stevens Jr. is hoping for.
He's responsible for what he did that night when he brutally killed two good people and mortally injured another.
But he told me he's not surprised by the defense maneuver. He does not buy it and hopes a jury won't either.
All you have to do is listen to the words that Austin himself said that night to Jeff Fisher, that he didn't want any of this, and when he asked the cops to kill him, that he deserved to die. Those aren't the words of an insane or psychotic individual. Those are the words of a kid who was afraid to face what was in store for him.
Harrouff's attorney Nellie King sent me the following statement late tonight, saying, quote, there is overwhelming and compelling evidence Austin was suffering acute psychosis, which rendered him unable to appreciate what he was doing or the wrongfulness of his actions. His mental state squarely fitting within the definition of legal insanity in Florida, end quote. The defense also says it is bringing in a doctor and mental health expert from Cleveland, Ohio, to testify to this. Reporting live in Martin County, I'm Megan McRoberts, WPTV News Channel 5.